Greetings, artists and art enthusiasts. Before we dive into this creative journey, I'd like to remind you that your support through subscriptions, likes, and comments is the spark that keeps our channel alive. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, activate the notification bell to catch every detail, and leave that valuable like to back our community. Also, your comments are the driving force that fuels the magic of our vibrant space. So, join in, share your thoughts and theories, and get ready for this exciting drawing adventure on You Color Fun.
Thanks, You Color Fun fam. Your subs, likes, and comments bring our channel to life. Stay tuned for more creative and magical journeys. See you in the next video.